8 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x equals 130. Find x if x is an element of a real number. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we want to work out this nice question and we want to find x. Alright, so solution. So first of all, we know that 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. Right, so we can bring that 2 raised to the power of 3 and raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x equals 130. Right, so now remember when we have a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n, it can equal to a raised to the power of n raised to the power of m. We can switch the powers here. So from here we're going to switch the powers, so it becomes 2 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of x equals 130. Right? Good. So the next thing now we can say, let's 2 raised to the power of x equals b. Let 2 raised to the power of x equals b. So from here we have b cubed, that's b raised to the power of 3 plus b equals 130. So from here we can bring this 130 to this side of the equation. B raised to the power of 3 plus b minus 130 equals 0, since we have brought it to this other part of the equation. Right? So the next thing here, we can bring b raised to the power of 3 plus b minus, we can break down this 130 to minus 125 minus 5, because minus 125 minus 5 gives us minus 130, so it's possible. So from here we can just join these two together and join these two together. B raised to the power of 3 minus 125, right? And this plus b minus 5 equals 0, right? So from here, what's the next thing to do? So from here we can see b cubed, b raised to the power of 3 minus 125 is 5 raised to the power of 3, right? Plus b minus 5. So from here we can just bracket this, right? Just bracket this equals 0, right? So we know m cubed minus n cubed equals m minus n, m squared plus mn plus n squared, right? So that's what we're going to do here. So b cubed is just as if this is the m and this is the n here. So it becomes b minus 5, right? Open bracket, b squared plus this mn, so that will be 5b, right? Plus n squared, that's 5 squared. And we have plus b minus 5, right? Equals 0. So from here, we can see b minus 5 here and b minus 5 here common. We can now bring out b minus 5, right? We can bring out b minus 5 from both, and we can factorize b minus 5 out. This will now give us b squared plus 5b plus 5 squared, right? So when we bring out b minus 5 from here, it gives us plus 1 equals 0, right? Good. So from here we have b minus 5, and here we have b squared, right, plus 5b plus 25 plus 1 equals 0. 5 squared is 25. So from here we have b minus 5, and here we have b squared plus 5b plus 25 plus 1 gives us 26 equals 0, right? Good. So now we can now equate this. From here, b minus 5 here equals 0, and b squared plus 5b plus 26 equals 0. We can separate the equation. So we have two equations now. So from here, b equals 0 plus 5. When this minus 5 comes here, b equals 5, right? And for here, we have a quadratic equation for this other part, quadratic equation, right? So what do we do in this situation? So from here we can use the quadratic formula, but we can check this equation if it is if the value for we get will be a real number using the formula delta equals b squared minus 4ac. Now this is a. Now we know that a is 1, right? B is 5, and C is 26, right? So B squared, that's what? 5 squared minus 4 times A. A is 1 times 26. So from here, 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 1 times 26. 26 times 4 gives us 26 times 4. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 2, 8. That's 104. 104. So 25 minus 104 gives us minus 79, right? So it gives us minus 79. It means it is not a real number. It's not positive number. So we can't use this. So this equation is wrong, right? So we have b equals 5, right? So our answer is b equals 5. Now don't forget that here we said let 2 raised to the power of x equals b, right? So 2 raised to the power of x here, 2 raised to the power of x equals b, and b we have it to be 5, right? So b we have it to be 5. So 2 raised to the power of x equals 5. So let's bring this here. 2 raised to the power of x, 2 raised to the power of x equals 5. So from here we can find the natural log of both parts of the equation. So from here we can find log 2 raised to the power of x equals log 5. We introduce natural log to both parts of the equation. And so from here, when we have log a raised to the power of m, it becomes m log a. That's for this one. So for here, this becomes x log 2 equals log 5, right? So from here, since we want to find x, we divide both sides by log 2. Log 2, divide both sides by log 2. So log 2 cancels log 2, right? So from here, x equals log 5 over log 2. And so x equals log 5. You find the value of log 5 using a 4-figure table, your calculator. And so log 5 over log 2 gives us 2.32. So this gives us our final answer, right? This gives us our final answer. That brings us to the end of this question. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and like your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you very much.